Hello, today we want to make a moon buggy, and first we have to cut the wie heißt Stange oder
The screw.
the screw,
The screw.
the screw in the right length, and this is the right. So then we have to make it better, because when we do it not, we have to, the Mutter.
You have to round it.
Okay, you have to round it. That we will make with this. You can see. Then it's better. Here you can see the moon buggy in the form,
The die cut.
the die cut. You have to pull it out. That you will make with every single thing. So yes, then you have to make it with this plan. Okay, there's every step described, and at least you have the moon buggy. At the end you have to put glue on the end, and then it's ready.